Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are trying the new KFC chicken wraps. That's right. McDonald's missed the memo to bring back the snack wraps, and KFC is getting the job done. You can get two of them for $5 right now, and two different varieties: the classic chicken wrap and spicy slaw chicken wrap. I got the combo with a drink and some fries. We're going to be giving them a shot. I did not realize just how small these were, but then I remembered how small the snack wraps were. So we're going to be giving them a shot today, see what they're all about, and see what spicy slaw is all about. I had a fry off camera, and it's tickling my throat. So we're going to go with the classic to begin with, so the spiciness doesn't mess with me. So there is our spicy slaw. There's our chicken wrap, the classic. It's just a chicken strip in a tortilla with, looks like mayo, a pickle, and whatever else. Upon first glance, this is basically a Chicken Little on a tortilla. Because that's all that I'm seeing. There's nothing really, just a pickle, some mayonnaise, and a chicken strip. It's good, of course. Yeah, this is just a Chicken Little on a tortilla. Good, but like I said, not really much to that. And I love a good Chicken Little, don't get me wrong. But here we go. This one is way different. It's got their spicy sauce with coleslaw on it. I'm going to try not to dump it. As you can see there, dump some on the floor. That's okay. Okay, so KFC chicken wrap, spicy slaw. Over the lips, past the gums, look out stomach. Here she comes. Woo! That's, wow. That's spicy. A little bit later, look out butthole, here it comes. Ooh. That's spicy. Hence, spicy slaw. I'm pretty sure KFC came out with like a new buffalo sauce or something. Some kind of, well, like the new spicy sauce. And wow, that's hot. I don't do heat that well. Wow. Overall, I'm going to say the wraps are pretty good. They're small. Brought me back to the days of McDonald's with snack wraps. I think the snack wraps had lettuce on them. I kind of wish the original chicken, the classic chicken would have had lettuce or something else as well. Hell, throw some coleslaw on that one. The spicy slaw was something else. Don't think I'd ever get that one again, but I'd definitely go for another classic chicken wrap. So there you have it. And the fries are always good. And another thing I've seen on Instagram, speaking of the fries from KFC Taco Bell, I've seen that nacho fries are going to be a permanent menu item, so I'm ready for that. If you guys have tried the new chicken wraps, let me know below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys again real soon. Peace!